Good afternoon, everybody. Have you ever thought about how products we buy every day get from raw materials to being on the store shelves? Yeah, from clothing to electronics to food to furniture, supply chains make it all possible. However, these supply chains also have major environmental impact. In fact, global supply chains contribute significantly to carbon emissions and waste each year. Because of this, many companies are beginning to focus on sustainability. Today, I will be informing you on how sustainability is being implemented in supply chains, why it matters, and the challenges companies face when trying to make it happen. Actually, as a business major with an interest in supply chain management, yeah, this is my major. I find this topic especially important because it connects directly to the future of business operations. Sustainability no longer just being a trend, but actually becoming something necessary. So first, let's actually see what a sustainable supply chain actually is. A sustainable supply chain is one who reduces environmental harm while still operating efficiently. Yeah, we can see this can include using less fuel in transportation, reducing waste in packaging, and making sure materials are ethically sourced. For example, some companies now use recycled materials in production or they partner with suppliers who follow these kind of labor practices. Not only this, the goal is to create products in a way that is better for both people and our planet. So now that we understand what a sustainable supply chain is, let's look at why it is so important. One major benefit is lower cost over time. Actually, we can see while some sustainable chains may cost more money up front, companies often save more money later by reducing energy use, less waste, and actually more efficient ways for transportation. I mean, we can see another benefit is improved brand reputation. Consumers today pay attention to environmental issues, and many prefer buying from companies that show responsibility. Finally, we can actually see sustainable supply chains help reduce pollution and conserve natural resources, which benefits the society as a complete whole. Yeah, although there are so many benefits, companies still face several challenges when implementing sustainability. One challenge is actually high cost initially. So switching to a cleaner technology or finding a new suppliers can be expensive. Another issue is the suppliers compliance. Actually, many large companies often work with suppliers